Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about if-else statement in C++ programming. The if-else statement also used for decision making. And the syntax is, first we have the if keyword, and then inside the parentheses we have the condition, and then we have one block of code, and right after the if block we have the else block, and which has its own block of code. So whenever the condition become true, then the code we write inside the if block will be executed. But if the condition become false, then the code we write inside the else block will be executed. So in this example program, first we have included the header file iostream, and then we have used the namespace std. Now inside the main method we're gonna create one integer variable number, and I'm gonna assign it the value 5. Now I'm gonna use the if-else statement. So first we have the if keyword, and the condition will be if number is greater than 0. Then inside the if block I'm gonna print number is positive, and then right after the if block we have the else block, and inside the else block I'm gonna print number is negative. So now I'm gonna save the program, and I'm gonna compile and run the program. And you can see the output we have the string number is positive printed onto the console. Because the value of number variable is 5, so the condition number greater than 0 is true. That's why the code we written inside the if block has been executed. But if we make the value of the number to negative, like -5, and save this program and recompile and run it again, then it printed the string number is negative. So this time the value of the number variable is -5, so the condition number greater than 0 is false. So it is not going to execute the code inside the if block, so it will execute the code inside the else block, and that's how it has printed the string number is negative onto the console. So this is the way we can use the if-else statement, and we can decide which block of code to be executed in the program. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.